Hello boys and girls, thank you so much for coming to watch another video of mine, and if you are new here, I'm Anna and nice to meet you. I appreciate so much you guys tuned into today's video. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this baby right here. This is the HUDA Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette, and let me tell you girl, I'm obsessed. It's so gosh darn pretty. I love it, and you guys need to buy it right now because I'm obsessed with this look, and you can do so many other looks with this palette. Before we jump into today's video, you guys, I do want to apologize for just being so absent lately. That is not like me. It's just been really crazy at work. I've been moving and all this other stuff has been going on in my life, graduating high school and stuff like that too. But I am almost completely moved out of my house, and I have a lot of different videos planned for you in the next couple of weeks, you guys. So I am back. Yay. It's been really sickening the amount that I have not been on here. I've been planning to do so many videos. I wanted to sit down so many times and film a video for you guys, but it's just been honestly so crazy. And I do have one big announcement, is that I'm going to be going to BeautyCon this year. Woo! I love this. I'm so excited to go. This is my first BeautyCon. It is BeautyCon LA, so this weekend. Sure, this video will be out tonight. But I'm super excited to get that news out to you guys. I've been kind of holding it for a little bit. And yeah, you guys, so with that all being said, I'm gonna stop rambling your ear off, and we are gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Alright you guys, so I did already wash my face, and I applied my Drink of H2O moisturizer, my Tarte. I'm gonna quickly jump in with the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. This is a really good eye cream. It's nice because it's not heavy. I don't want anything too heavy that's gonna weigh my eyes down. So you never start too early on me, okay? Start too early. I'm not gonna age, no ma'am. Not today. For my primer, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Although this is going to be kind of like a summery vibe look, I still want it to be that soft focus kind of glow. First thing I always like to recommend with kind of cream products, I'm going to warm it up right here on my arm just to kind of get the product going. Otherwise, it is a little bit harsh when you go in on your skin. For foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation. I'm going to be going in with the color 230. Now, this color is a smidge deep for me, but it is summer, so I do want to look a little bit tanner. And you guys know I'm kind of opposed to this, but we're going to make it work today. I actually love this foundation. It is one of my favorites right now. It might even be my favorite as of now. I use this like every day. I would definitely repurchase. If you're going into Sephora, definitely pick this guy up if you don't already have it. I always just pump some on the back of my hand. I usually use like 2 pumps. And then I do like going in with a sponge with this guy. And I'm just gonna start kind of dabbing this on. You guys have seen me do this several times. I don't think it's anything I need to really explain. Foundation, the main thing is just to get it blended nice and even. I'm gonna be taking it and kind of dragging excess, not like a full dab of product, but I'm gonna be taking like the excess kind of on my sponge and bringing it down my neck just a little bit. Please do not mind my rusty dusty nails. I need to get them done for this weekend because I am going to BeautyCon, you guys. I'm excited to announce that. I'm really excited to meet some of you. Hopefully, if you guys are going, don't be afraid to say hello. I love meeting subscribers. We're excited. It's my first BeautyCon. If you guys don't know what BeautyCon is, it's just like a beauty convention in LA. Super fun. A lot of YouTubers go, a lot of different kind of brands. They just have like basically brand tables. They have a couple panels, like interviews and stuff like that going with one of my friends. She's also my brother's girlfriend. I guess I've never seen her on my channel, but she has been in the background. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It's all down below in the description box. Hit your girl up. I love to be friends with you. Now that I have my foundation down, I'm gonna be going in with concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is nothing out of the ordinary for me. You guys know I use this all the time. And I'm gonna be going in with is light medium. I just kind of want to conceal under my eyes a little bit. I don't want to brighten too much. I just want to conceal away dark circles because, your girl's tired. We need something underneath here. Again, just patting it out with a beauty blender. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I've used this several times on my channel. Again, nothing too special. I am gonna do my brows off camera just because you know that this is like the longest thing for me. But I'm just gonna go for a nice natural brow, nothing too harsh. Taking the Anastasia brow gel. This is a rusty dusty one. I've had this forever. I'm just gonna kind of brush my brows up quick. I don't normally do this in my videos. I don't think I've ever done this in my videos actually. I just kind of want them to have that tussled natural look to them just because I haven't got them shaped in a little while. So jumping into the next step, I'm not gonna go ahead and set my face with any kind of powders. I know that's crazy to say, but I saw Desi Perkins do it in one of her videos. I can't even remember which one it was, but she says that she doesn't like to set her under eyes if she's doing more of that like beachier kind of summer makeup because she does just like to pat out her concealer throughout the day. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna try that. That being said, we're gonna jump in with our HUDA bronzer. This is a classic bronzer in the industry. I'm also gonna be taking the brush, and a lot of people hate the brush in there, but I like it just to pick up the product. And then I'm gonna kind of contour with this. It's nice because it just kind of gives you that look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, nothing too crazy. Just kind of carve this out. So I always like to place my product. Just bear with me. I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I'm placing the product. I feel like this is like frowned upon, but I don't even care because it works for me. After I place my product, I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe Y3. This is a really good bronzing brush. I like using this to kind of blend that out then. But I like placing my product down because it kind of gives more of like a chiseled look. It's weird. It's like almost like a reverse baking or something. I'm gonna go in just with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this on the top of my forehead here. Turn this forehead into a 3-head. You guys see Kylie Jenner talk about how she has a 3-head, and so does Stormy. I think that's so cute. But you almost know exactly what she's talking about when she brings it up. So I'm like, girl, I know exactly what you're talking about. Taking this, I'm gonna bring this down on my neck again just to mimic the dimension, but that kind of evens out all of that glow. Alright, so Morphe recently came out with their blush trios. This is the only one I picked up just because it's so pretty. This is the color Pop of Coral. I love a peachy blush. You guys already know this. So I'm gonna take Boss, taking it on the Morphe Y4. This is my favorite blush brush, and I'm gonna smile and just popping this on the apples of my cheeks, brushing it back into my bronzer. You guys know I go through like this awkward like tapping and blending motions when I do my blushes. I think it just diffuses it a little bit better. I love this blush. It's so pretty. If you guys don't already have one of these Morphe blush trios, go pick one up right now. I think one was only $12 and you get 3 blushes and they're really good. So for highlights, I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. I think you know. Yeah, I've used it in a couple videos. I love this highlight, you guys. I don't want to say it, but I think I'm going to. I think it passes up Champagne Pop in my book. It's so pretty. I feel like it works so good on everybody's skin tone. If you guys are a true subscriber, you know what brush I'm going in with. If you're thinking the Morphe Y14, you are correct, my friends. I love this brush. It works so good for highlight. Popping this highlight on my cheekbones, doubling up because you know I'm extra. I mean, what's wrong with that, right? Just dousing myself in this. For the eyes today, you guys, I'm doing something very minimalist, but it's really, really pretty and really achievable for anybody. Just because I'm literally going in with this and one other eyeshadow. So it's super, super user-friendly. You guys are thinking, why do I have this shade? But it is a really pretty bronzer. I'm not gonna be using it as bronzer today. I'm gonna be taking it into my crease. Taking out my mermaid brush, my Tarte. These are actually really good. I like Tarte brushes. For some reason, they work really well. But I'm just taking this and I'm gonna just lightly blend this into my crease like so. To add a little bit of dimension and make this look a little more diffused all in general. But I'm bringing it all the way to the inner corner as well. Also going to be taking this same brush, blending it on the lower lash line and connecting the two. This is just going to really melt the look together. Guys, I love grapes. I don't know if you guys know this, but every time I'm filming, I have like food or something to drink all the time. I love food. Only thing that keeps me going. Now for the start of the show, this is the HUDA Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette. This is such a pretty palette, you guys. If you don't have this, pick it up. It's like $27, and I know that's like pricey for people, but I just find that there's such a good array of like colors, and there's such good statement colors that you're always gonna get a look out of it. Like each one of these individual shadows can do a different look, and this green, baby girl, this green, this pink, and this blue is the only reason I picked it. My star of the show today is gonna be this pink color right up here in the center. This placed on the eye, you guys, is so gosh darn pretty. It just brings out every eye color. I've tried this on blue eyes and then each of my eyes, so I do have like a green and a brown eye. So it looks good on my green eye and it looks good on my brown eye. Boom, popping, I love it. Taking that pink color on my finger, just dousing it in there. I'm so sorry. So pretty. It's sickening how pretty this is. Taking that, I'm just going to be putting this onto my lid. Now keeping it just on the lid, you guys. You don't want to move it up into the transition. Just placing it on your lid. Bringing it a little bit into the inner corner. Just blending like so. I'm dying, that's so pretty. Now to the last step of the eye, taking the Amrezy highlighter again. I'm just gonna be placing this onto my inner corner and my brow bone. I did use the Morphe Y20 for my inner corner and my brow highlight. This is a really nice brush actually. The inner corner is where it shines for sure. Last step of the eyes is going to be mascara and lashes. I'm going with lashes today just because it makes that look jump from like 0 to 100 instantly. So we're going to use lashes today, but I'm going to be going in with the newer Smashbox mascara. It's a Super Fanned Out mascara. I actually do like this. It doesn't pass out roller lash, but we're going to be using this today. Again, subscribers know that I'm skipping the lower lash mascara. I just don't do that. It really drags my eyes down. It makes me look kind of, I don't know, just like ratty, I guess the word is. But I don't do that unless I have a very dramatic lower lash line, but I don't today, so I'm just leaving it. You guys can definitely keep the look like this. I'm gonna go a little bit more extra and use some lashes today. I'm gonna be going in with the Ardell Foam Mink lashes in 817. These are a little bit more of that just like natural lash, nice voluminous. I'm gonna place these on real quick and I will be right back. Alright, so lashes are on and we're basically pretty much done now. We just have to do our lips. I'm gonna be going in with my classic nude beige lip liner. This is tiny. I need to go buy one. I'm gonna go buy one today right after this. But I'm gonna be taking this, lining my lips, and then I'm gonna be going in with a new favorite. This is the Buxom Peach Daiquiri Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. But I think that the glowy kind of lip gloss is gonna be good to tie in with this look. And the peach is really gonna bring out that purple tones in the eyes. I think it'll look really pretty. I love these lip glosses. They're like plumping, but they're not like that burning plumping that like the NYX ones do, the lip injection ones. These give like that tingly peppermint, like tea tree feel to the lips, and just snatch your lips. So good. I love Buxom glosses. Go get them. Right, last step, we are just going to set this baby down nice in place. This is the finished look, you guys. Again, thank you so much for coming and sitting down with me. I love sitting here with you guys and doing these. Again, I apologize for being so absent, you guys. That is so not like me. It's just been really crazy lately. But I can promise you guys that I am back better than ever, and I'll have several videos out to you guys in the next couple of weeks that I am super excited for. I'm going to be doing my first vlogs in BeautyCon. You guys already know that I'm taking you with me, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Again, if you guys see me, don't be afraid to say hello. I love meeting you guys. With that being said, go ahead and be friends with me on all of my social medias. They're all down below. I'd love to have you guys on there. Communicate with me. Shoot me a tweet. I will tweet back to you. I do this. If you enjoyed this look or this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It does really help me. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys as a subscriber and see all of my videos. All the ones that I will be getting out to. Lastly, I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.